Hello and welcome to the Science Furry. In this video I will show how I built a nitric acid generator. This thing can literally make nitric acid from air and water. Quick side note, we are dealing with nitrogen dioxide and, well, nitric acid as well. And these are chemicals and gases that are pretty dangerous. So stay safe and you should work in a fume hood or something like that, because the gas is poisonous. To create the nitric acid, I'm dissolving nitrogen dioxide in water, and I'm creating the nitrogen dioxide from an arc from a flyback transformer. To get the air over the electric arc, I initially wanted to use a test tube and melted some tubes on it for the inlet and outlet. And to have the arc in the test tube, I put some wires through a stopper, but the stopper actually didn't work. I had to make one out of hot glue because it was not isolating the high voltage, and this worked better. However, the whole glass construction is getting so hot and the wires are getting so hot that the stopper made out of hot glue melted, so this didn't really work as well. And I had some other problems because of this small design. To push the gas through the arc, I used some aquarium bubbler thing I got from the internet, and I connected it with a hose to the top of the construction of my test tube, and then the gas flows through the arc and gets pushed out the bottom, and then it goes into another test tube that is filled with water, and this water will react with the nitrogen dioxide. I also have the test tube with the water sealed with a stopper, and then the two hoses are going in, and that's to prevent the gas to escape into the room. I have one hose going in, one hose going out, and the hose that's going out is going out the window, so the gas isn't accumulating in the room. But like I said, this didn't work so well, so I glued the metal contacts into a bigger glass, and this worked better, but it got pretty hot as well. And this partially melted the glue as well, or like loosened it. And to fix that, I just turned it around, because hot air rises and then the top got hot and the bottom was relatively cold. Then I glued the hoses back in as well, and then I just turned it around and let it run. I usually let it run for a bit, and then after that switched on the aquarium bubbler thing. I think that's better, so the gas has time to react in the arc. I didn't let the pump run continuously. Then I tested the acid with my pH paper, and it worked. It has a pH of around 1. But the acid wasn't that concentrated. I was able to neutralize the acid with just a few drops of 1 mole sodium hydroxide solution. Alright, that's it for this short video. I don't really have any use for nitric acid, or at least not for such a low concentration, so yeah, that was just some experiment to try how well it works. Alright, until next time, bye.